it's Rachel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a microwave brownie. It's a really simple recipe, and I hope you guys like the video. Okay, so what you'll need for this recipe is some flour, some cane sugar, some olive oil, but actually vegetable oil works better than this. But I ran out, so I'm going to be using olive oil. It works just as well. Some unsweetened cocoa powder, and a dash of salt. What you're going to want to start by doing is getting 1/4 a cup of flour. Alright. After you have that, you're going to want to get 1/4 cup of pure cane sugar. Okay, I gotta put the thing down because it comes out really slow and I don't want to hold it. Okay, once you have that, you're going to want to pour it in. Okay, and then you are going to want to get a mixing utensil and mix those two together so that, so that the flour doesn't get like really stuck at the bottom. Because flour is, what's the word? I wouldn't say it's like denser, but it's like thicker than sugar, so it'll make the flour not so dense or whatever. Okay, then what you're going to want to do next is get 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And when I do this, I just use like a utensil, I'm going to use the back of my 1/4 measuring thing just to level it out. Which I should have done for like the sugar and the flour, but you know, I didn't, so whatever. Okay. Once you have that, you're going to want to mix those together as well. Oops, I spilled a little. Okay, once you think that's mixed well enough, you're going to add a dash of salt and 2 tablespoons of your oil. And I'm going to go do this over the sink so that I don't, like if I overflow it, I won't put too much oil in the cake or whatever, the brownie. Alright, here's 1. Here's 2. Okay. And then the last and final thing you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of water. And I'm getting my water from the tap or the sink, so yeah. Don't spill. Okay, there's 1. and 2. And then you're going to want to mix all of this up, and I'm going to use a fork, so I'm going to go grab a fork really fast because I forgot to do that in the beginning. Okay, and you're going to want to give this a really good mix so that the you don't have a lot of extra flour at the bottom. And if one of your measurements were off, like one of mine was off, I don't think I added enough water, you can modify it. It shouldn't be like a total liquid. It should be like brownie batter. Like, you know, when you get the, not brownie batter, brownie. Yeah, brownie batter. Like when you buy like the Ghirardelli or whatever brownie kit from like the store. It should be like that. And if you've never used one of those, the batter is like not too liquidy, but it's not as thick as this. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Okay. Get this mixed up. And make sure that it's not too lumpy. This is kind of what it should be like kind of like chocolate frosting. Okay. And then you are going to want to pop it in the microwave for 1 minute, but it depends on like how strong your microwave is. I have a pretty strong microwave, so you may need to put it in for longer if your microwave isn't as strong. Okay, so when your brownie comes out, you're going to want to take like a knife or a like skewer or a toothpick or something and stick it down the center just to make sure that it's done. So you shouldn't have anything. Oops, I just dropped it. But anyway, it should come out clean, and if it does, then your brownie is done and you're ready to eat it. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, like and comment. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you all later.